Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today I'll show you how to factory reset your Philips Smart TV step by step. First, make sure your Philips Smart TV is powered on and responding to the remote. If your Philips Smart TV remote is not working, replace the batteries and try again. Now point the remote directly at your Philips Smart TV sensor for best response. Grab the Philips Smart TV remote and press the home button to open the menu. On your Philips Smart TV screen, navigate to the settings icon using the arrow keys. Select settings on your Philips Smart TV and wait for the menu to load. Scroll down to all settings on your Philips Smart TV and click it. Inside all settings, find the General Settings section on your Philips Smart TV. Select General Settings on your Philips Smart TV to open the system options. Now scroll down to Reset on your Philips Smart TV menu. Select Reset and wait for your Philips Smart TV to show the confirmation prompt. When your Philips Smart TV asks for a PIN, enter the default 0000 unless you changed it. Confirm reset on your Philips Smart TV when asked. Your Philips Smart TV will begin preparing the factory reset process. Keep your Philips Smart TV powered on during the reset process. If your Philips Smart TV freezes, press and hold the power button on the remote. This will restart your Philips Smart TV safely without unplugging it. If that fails, unplug your Philips Smart TV from the wall. Leave your Philips Smart TV unplugged for 20 seconds. Plug your Philips Smart TV back in firmly. Press the power button to turn on your Philips Smart TV again. Once your Philips Smart TV boots, navigate back to the settings menu. Go again into all settings on your Philips Smart TV. Re-enter General Settings on your Philips Smart TV. Select Reset again on your Philips Smart TV. Confirm the full factory reset one more time on your Philips Smart TV. Wait, while your Philips Smart TV wipes all old settings. Your Philips Smart TV will automatically restart once the reset finishes. When your Philips Smart TV powers on, you'll see the setup screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your Philips Smart TV. Connect your Philips Smart TV to Wi-Fi when prompted. Select your region and language for the Philips Smart TV system. Agree to the terms to continue using your Philips Smart TV. Sign in with your Google account if your Philips Smart TV asks. After setup, check if your Philips Smart TV is running smoothly. Test the apps on your Philips Smart TV to confirm everything reset properly. If apps freeze, update your Philips Smart TV software from settings. Open About on your Philips Smart TV to check updates. Download and install the update on your Philips Smart TV if available. Restart your Philips Smart TV after the update completes. Test your Philips Smart TV remote and menu navigation again. Make sure all HDMI ports on your Philips Smart TV are working. Reset all cables connected to your Philips Smart TV. Ensure the power cable is fully inserted into your Philips Smart TV. Try launching a streaming app on your Philips Smart TV to confirm stability. If issues continue, repeat the reset process on your Philips Smart TV. Factory resets usually fix slow software on any Philips Smart TV. Your Philips Smart TV should now be restored to its original performance. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Enjoy your refreshed Philips Smart TV.